Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and I am your anchor, I am your host, I am your teacher. Look guys, today is there are lots of coaching and institute which you can see that probably are doing well, but I'm giving a very reality check. I'm giving a very reality check. Look, after Corona, it's long been 5 or 6 years. It's been, but after Corona, so much studies was ruined. Okay, and I really don't think so. People who are born in after 2010, okay, now able to understand anything. Okay, it's very alarming. I really don't know what will government will do. What government will do to their kids. What government will their do kids? Because I'm telling you, after 2010, after 2008, after 2008, the child who are born, what you will do? What you will do they with them? They can't study well, they can't play well, they can't communicate, they can't feel the human psychology. So what will they do? It's a very very big question mark, because and I have seen a lot of student. Only God's help them. First of all, our Indian education system are so brilliant and so super, and after that, this kind of problem. So only, and if there will be a second lockdown, which can be, there will be LPG crisis over there, and also the Iran Israel. This kind of thinking happening in last 6 or 7 years. So you can easily say that what government really should do. Look at to go in Delhi, in Mumbai. Even their kids, only God helps them. They can't. Most of the kids I know, which really can't write their own school name. And in school, what you want, they are you doing well, you have to book, you have to purchase this book, you have to purchase this dress, you have to take this tuition, you have to take online classes, so you have to pay this amount, you have to pay this amount, and there in a whole year, now this is a holiday, this is a holiday. Big alarming situation, guys. Big alarming situation, where I am seeing exactly. Look, I have no problem. Okay, you can easily see that, because we are 90s kid. Okay, I am born in 1996. We are 90s kid. We will survive anything anyhow. Anyone will keep us. People who are born in 1996 and 90s kids, they know very well they can survive anywhere, anything. I think I am the luckiest guy. I am the 90s, because I'm giving you another reality check. People who are born before 90s and people who are born in after 2010, really so disturbing, really so disturbing, because they are facing a so kind of problem which they really don't know how they handle, Put pen to paper. So yes, this is the biggest thing which you can apply in your life. Put pen to paper. Once you write your problem, then half of the problem will solve. Yes, it's a magic which you can create in your life. I mean, your half of problems will far away if you just write them. If you just write them, half of the problems will solve away. Put the saddle on the right horse. Put the saddle on the right horse. Yes, yes, there are lots of FIR, lots of case which you really can say that there can be innocent and people who didn't commit any crime are false. I mean, there are lots of people. You know very well Indian judiciary system, Indian law, and all the our Indian structure. You know very well. I don't have to you give you reality check. Okay, so there are lots of cases where you can see that put the saddle on the right horse. I mean, it's a very rare situation. I mean, lots of case you can easily see that always an innocent always caught. Yes, false case is a very normal thing. I mean, the powerful man, a businessman, a very rich people can trap you. Okay, put to the sword. Put to the sword. It's about you are a warrior. Yes, this is the way of life. I mean, look, live your life like a warrior. Live your life. I mean, this is the only way, and this is the only option which life can give you. You have to live your life like a warrior, like a champion. Don't just care about anything, don't just think about too much. Always take your decision, prove it, and someone try to harm you, just you know what you're gonna do. Just put to the sword. Yes, if someone try to beat you, if someone harm you without, I mean, any reason, you have to put the sword. Don't live your life like a coward boy. Okay, don't live your life like a coward boy. Put up with, always put up with only that thing which you really think that you can digest. Okay, always only put up with that thing. Otherwise, always give your answer first wisely. Mm, your tongue is your biggest friend. I'm giving you a biggest reality check. Look, guys, every day just watch my channel. Okay, this will help you. This will can help you your all your this illusionary word. Okay, don't be delusional. Just watch my channel. I will tell you exactly the right situation. I will tell you exactly right situation how you can deal with it. So put up with it. Look, I'm giving you a very biggest fact that your tongue is your biggest friend. Your tongue is your biggest friend. So always choose your word wisely. Okay? Always choose your word wisely. I mean, you have to choose your word very wisely. If you really know what you are saying, you are a genius. Now you are a genius. If you know what you are saying, you are a truly genius. Now you always gonna win. Yes, every situation you gonna win. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Donald Trump and Netanyahu and all the supreme leader of whole world are surrounding you. You will always win. Remember what I'm saying? If you know what you are saying, this is the knowledge. So be like this. I mean, your tongue, your biggest friend. Remember that thing, okay? Otherwise, you can't even survive in your house. Because I know Look, guys, I can tell you how's your house member, how's your parents, how's your brother and sister, and all our relative behavior. I know. You really didn't think that I really don't know. I am easily know, okay? So, yes, put up with. So, yes, if you are learning and please keep growing, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Shabba Khair, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal.